Welcome to the Tunis Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Each other. This is the Tunis Shop channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Esperance 0. My brother, how's it?
I'm good, and you, sir?
Good, man. Your take on the game today?
The game was nice, even though we scored one goal, but then I can't complain. We got the results, we got the 3 points.
Yeah.
I'm just happy that we went to the next level. Yeah, the game was nice. My favorite player today was Shalulile because he scored an important goal.
Exactly.
Yeah. That's all I can say, my brother.
Yeah, going to the next round, how do you think you'll play that side?
With the likes of, because we got good players on the bench, with the likes of Obas, with the likes of, like, there's many players Sundowns that they have. So I think we much stronger when we go on their stadium, like when we playing against, like when we away. I think we're gonna do good. I think we're gonna produce the good results. I think we're going to the final. Sandawana, we're going to the final.
And then your message to the Sandawana family as they came in numbers today, going to the premiership.
Okay, congratulations for the win, guys. You must always support. Today I was happy. I've seen many people than I'm used to, because this is my second time here at Loftus. I'm from Soweto. But then the view, the capacity was nice. It was yeah. So I think we should all like gang up and support each other. I think it was nice. We were a team today.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I
love your show, sir.
Thanks, man.
Keep
supporting.